and ice and cold temperatures.
Yeah, I was thinking that with that video they showed.
Yeah, we might be Greenland this weekend.
Oh, yeah. And JR, you were mentioning the hurricane hunters are flying in. They're flying into the air over the Pacific. Why over the Pacific? Because that's where we need more data. I worked at the Central Pacific Hurricane Center in Honolulu. We had 2 balloon launch locations on Kauai and on the Big Island, and that's all we have over that open water. So they're getting soundings or kind of data with the drops on, they call it, to help improve the forecast for this winter storm. And let me tell you something, my experience with that, whenever the hurricane hunters fly into a hurricane and drop that drop sonde in there and do those observations, you should see how much better the forecast models get. So we're hoping to see some clarity because of that. Now, I'm thinking Saturday at noon to Sunday noon, that's very key as far as the freezing rain and sleet possibilities. Hazardous travel and power outages really high. It's highly dependent on, is it going to be freezing rain or sleet or rain? Or snow looks like it'll be up to the north. Right now we have a boundary up to the northwest. This is a front that's going to give us a chance for rain, only rain on your Saturday. And then we'll have that low form out in the southwest. It's called, I believe it's going to be called a Baja low because of just where it forms. That's how they name those. No fancy name, that's just what we call it. Winter storm watch, Saturday morning through Monday afternoon. And you can see they actually changed it to a winter storm warning, the pink area there. And this is for, upstate for South Carolina. And you're like, what about the rest of the area? They're just waiting on more data because that one model shifted the track a little to the north. There's still uncertainty on precip type. It's all about precip type. The ground going to be freezing or below. How about the air profile? It's very sensitive. It doesn't take much to change it. Tonight's a lot warmer than this morning, which was 20. We're looking at 35 tonight, 57 to 60 for your high tomorrow, with variably cloudy skies, and temperatures will be relatively warm on Friday as well. You can see a very slight chance for a shower tomorrow. I almost took it out. I just took it out of the forecast, but variably cloudy skies. Clouds help at night too. Keep us a little bit warm. Winds are going to be relatively light over the next 24 to 48 hours, and you can see that chance for rain. This is all rain, beneficial rain all the way through the day. On Friday, a chance for that. Then as we get into Saturday morning, you just start to see the pink kind of coming into the area there. So this is a model that goes out 72 hours. And, tomorrow at this time, we'll be able to see all the way to that key period, all the way till Sunday at noon with that model. Now, the ones that go out a little longer, things have updated. This is what we call the GFS. This one is on the same track. It's consistent, which we like to see. The other model is the one that shifted. But you can see southern South Carolina has the best chance to see more of a rain event, but most of the state with this model, and this goes, like I said, Saturday noon to Sunday noon, especially Saturday evening through the overnight hours, when it gets a little cooler, that's the best chance to see freezing rain. The rain kind of pushes to the north, and then we lose everything by early, probably by 6 o'clock on Monday. Now, when we're talking about the other one, first of all, the accumulations, if we see the track that goes right over us, significant ice accumulations are possible. Now, if you look at the other model, this is the one that shifted the track a little to the north, and this shows more rain in the southern half of South Carolina, and it really brings in the rain through the day Sunday, while the other one keeps a chance for freezing rain in there through the day on Sunday. See all that rain there? Now, if you're talking about accumulations with this one, significantly better. And you can see, but still, a quarter inch of ice and a half inch, I mean, it's still very treacherous. And looking at 1/10 of an inch, but it significantly drops as you go down farther to the south and southern parts of the state. If you want to get away from this and hit the road to do that, you just want to drive south. You go north, you're going to get worse in North Carolina, and then you get a lot of snow. There's a lot of big snow totals, just if you're traveling. Be aware of that. We're talking about up to feet of snow in some areas. D.C. could see 6 to 12 inches. Anyway, I want to make one more point. After this, it's going to be very cold. 13 Tuesday morning, 16 Wednesday morning. Think about that. If you lose power and still don't have power Tuesday, think about how you're going to stay warm without electricity. That's just a very thing. We're focused on this for Saturday and Sunday, but make sure you're aware of the cold that's coming in later. More on your weather coming up a little bit later.